Stop eating mushy green beans, I'll show you better. 1 pound of ground beef, comfort you'll remember. Cast iron skillet screaming hot tonight. Press that beef down flat, let it sear just right. Break it into chunks, add garlic and some spice. Worcestershire and soy sauce make it taste so nice. Don't you wash that pan, scrape up every bit. That's liquid gold right there, a mommy boosting hit. Country kitchen casserole, the way it's meant to be. $12 feeds us all, that's home economy. Crispy onions on the top, bubbling cheese below. We'll eat green bean casserole, country comfort soul.
Stick around till the end, I'll give you the full list. Every ingredient and step you won't want to miss.
Mix that beef with cream and mushroom soup. Add those frozen green beans to the group. Fold in half the onions, half the cheddar cheese. Bake it 20 minutes at 375 degrees. Top it with the rest, cheddar and those onions crisp. 5 more minutes golden, give that cheese a kiss. Let it rest 10 minutes, let that sauce get thick. Country home cooking, this is our trick. Country kitchen casserole, better than takeout food. Made it in your kitchen, served it to your brood. $3 per serving, save 46 today. Elite green bean casserole, the country kitchen way.